In this video, I will show you how to see who you are following on Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video, I will show you your following list on Phantom Wallet. Get started, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device and sign in into your account. Once signed in, go ahead and hit on the top left corner of your screen and that will take you into the section. And here, click on that view profile button and that will take you into your profile. Now click on that number of followers and that will take you into this section. So go ahead and close that pop-up and head over into the following section. So in this area, you'll be able to find all of the individuals that you're currently following on Phantom Wallet. And that is basically how you can find your following list on Phantom Wallet. So as you can see, you have the option to remove this user as your following, which makes it really easy for you to actually keep track of your following list. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.